Hi guys, again a lockdown situation, but we are still here to serve you. We have some tremendous lower part exercises for today. We will show you some lower body exercises, lower limb exercises, just lunges, squat, etc. So keep watch of our videos. Thank you. So we have eight total exercises for today, eight lower limb exercises, few more exercises done by Kolol sir, and another part I've done for you. So number one for me is backward lunges. Backward lunges, but total 12 times each leg, 12 times each leg, doing it 3 or 4 times. The second one, walking lunges with the press using water bottle, doing it walking lunges, 10 go and 10, 10 up and 10 back, go and back, total 10 10 20, doing it 4 or 5 sets. Then jumping lunges with a press using water bottle, jumping lunges with a press, total 12 12 12 12 one set, doing it 3 or 4 sets. And the last one is deadlift using bottle, using chair, using tool, etc. So you can use your wooden tool, some weighty things, for doing now when you are doing the deadlift. So keep watch guys for our videos. So guys, number one for me is backward lunges. So normal, using body weight, just like this is this position. This is one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. I will show you sidewise view. Another leg. This is one, two. This is one, two, one, two, one, two. Change your leg. This is one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. One more front view. This is one, two. This is one, two. This is backward lunges. Doing it 12, 12, 24 once equals to one set. Doing it 4 or 5 sets. Thank you. So guys, this is walking lunges. Walking lunges with press, using 2 liters, 4 liters. Using 4 liters water bottle, 2 hands, just walking and press. I will show you. This is the position. This is one, two. This is position, and I am walking. And I am walking. It's one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Another time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Backward is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, this is walking lunges. You can go 10 times forward, 10 times backward, doing it 4 or 5 times repeatedly. Thank you. Now this is number 3, jumping lunges with the press. You can use a 1 liter water bottle. If you can, if you can, then you can use 2 liter water bottle. So jumping lunges using press. This is the position. This is the posture. Straight spine, straight. This is the posture. This is the starting point. This is the starting point. So this is my right hand, left leg forward, right hand up. This is a sidewise posture, spine straight, hands up. So अगर अगर मेरा राइट लेग, अगर मेरा राइट हैंड अप होता है तो लेफ्ट लेग आगे जाएगा. अगर तुम लेफ्ट हैंड को ऊपर करते हो तो तुम्हारा राइट लेग आगे जाएगा. दिस वॉच एंड बैक एंड चेंज. Jumping lunges with a press. Jumping lunge and press. This is the position. Just like this. Start. Back. Start. Back. Doing it 12 times one set. 12 12 24 equals to one set. Doing it 4 or 5 sets. Sidewise दिखाते हैं. Is up, spine straight, hands up straight. हाथ चेंज करके दिखाते हैं. So this is jumping lunges with the press. Lunge करो, jump करके lunges बनाओ और shoulder को up करो. You can use 1 liter bottle, otherwise you can use 2 liter water bottle. Thank you. Hi guys, now this is time for deadlift. Deadlift for your hamstring and back also. So both hands 2 liters, 4 liters total. So squat position में रहना है और बॉटल को थाइज में टच करके रखना है. जस्ट स्क्वाट पोजीशन. देखो मेरा नी कहाँ जा रहा है, टो के बाहर नहीं गया, ऐसे नहीं है. नी टो के बाहर नहीं गया. मेरा पोस्चर, मेरा स्पाइन स्ट्रेट है. जस्ट यहाँ पे टच करो. स्लाइड बेंड, नी स्लाइड बेंड. इज 1 and up. 1 and up. It's a front view. Front looking forward, up. टच करके नीचे उतारो, सामने देखो पूरा, एंड अप. अगेन दिखा रहा है साइड से. देखो पूरा सामने देखो, टच करके नीचे लेके जाओ, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखो, एंड अप. दिस इज डाउन and up. This is down and up. Forward again. This is down and up. This is down and up. देखो नी मेरा स्लाइड फ्लेक्स है, इतना नहीं, स्ट्रेट नहीं, स्लाइड फ्लेक्स, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. This is down and up. This is deadlift. You can use tools. I will show you. So guys, this is the tool. Juniors, don't try to use it. You can use water bottles, but seniors can try this. Hold it like this. This is 1 2 1 2. Sidewise, up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is deadlift. Bottle is better than tools. You can use 2 to 4, otherwise 5 5 10. So this is deadlift, and this is legs workout session. Kaulu sir also gave you some squats and lunges, and I am also giving you some important things about lunges and deadlift. Thank you for today, guys. Keep doing these exercises, keep enjoying, and stay fit in this pandemic situation. Thank you.